I'm Jim Hobart with Croc Coatings, based in Post Falls. We cover North Idaho and Eastern Washington.
When we first started, my garage was actually the very first one. So that was exciting to watch because when Jim came to me and he was telling me about what he wanted to do, I was like, what? But seeing the product and using it, it's been incredible.
I like to tell our staff that Croc Coatings is actually a service company that installs floors and cabinets. We take ugly concrete and we make it look beautiful.
We're the only certified dealer in our area to offer Pentec. Pentec is a national brand. It is a polyurethane ISO base. So I like to refer to it a lot as your spray-on bed liner, like a Linex spray-on bed liner, but on steroids and looks so much better. So we're providing a lifelong protection against environmental issues that looks luxury. One thing people don't realize is our product actually makes a chemical bond with the concrete. Most of our competitors and other products you have to annually maintain because those products sit on top or they evaporate or they wear off or they pressure wash off. Ours does not do any of that. So ours is making a chemical bond with the concrete, becomes one with the concrete. It's not going anywhere.
Our ideal customer is a person who is looking for a quality solution with quality people, someone who actually appreciates quality. I can tell you we do have definitely the best product.
Probably the most important aspect about working for Croc Coatings is making sure that we take care of our customers in every way that we can. We always want to do right by them, and we'll do what it takes to see every project through and to give transparent advice. And even if we're not the best solution for a coating or for a cabinet space, we always do the best thing, and we always try to do the best thing for our customers.
And our neighbor had Croc Coatings come up and do their driveway. And so I watched theirs for a year or two, and it looked fantastic. And I got a hold of Kylie at Croc Coatings, and she was fantastic. She came out and went through the project, made sure that I knew what the concerns might be, went over the time frame, the cost. She was terrific. And from that moment on, everything went perfectly. It went exactly as she said it would. The coating that Croc put on solved all the problems. Not only would I recommend Croc Coatings, but I have.
It's been incredible. We're able to drive our studded tires on it. It's easy to keep clean. We just squeegee it off and it looks new all the time. The exterior, now we get to use that. We've never used the concrete apron because we could not put de-icer down. With the new product that Croc Coating puts on, we can use that driveway, and that gives us another 2,000 square feet. I would recommend them and have recommended them to several people.
If we can offer you a lifelong resolution for your concrete needs, and you know that you're not going to have to come out here and look at something that is dilapidated or is continuing to get worse. It went from spalling 3 years ago, now you got major pitting, and you possibly in your future looking at having to cut something out. But we can stop that problem right now, and you can love the space that you're coming into. What is the difference in 91 cents per square foot? And you're getting a lifetime warranty with that. So if your only concern is that lifetime warranty and loving your space, that in itself has value, and we're worth that value.
What I love about this company is that we are in our community. We're helping people in our community. You know, again, we're not a franchise. We're a small company here in North Idaho, but we're giving good jobs to good people, and we're growing as a team.